I'm back again. All right, so got the grab rail off now. There's the tool. And it is the economy version. Look right here. See, it's hollow. And it's thin metal. Probably designed for single use. But you cannot install the replacement wheel with screwdrivers, pry bars, or anything else of that nature. So you gotta have the tool. All right, here we go. Not that much closer to the hub because of that huge nut. Let me go this other way. I think I got a little better leverage this direction. And when I do it this direction, I'm a little closer to this pin, so it feels like I'm getting closer. But I don't think I am. Okay. I think I'm to the point of great force now. Oh! I was! Okay, so let's see, there's just too much flex in this. Put that much tension behind it. And that hollow metal tool is collapsing under the pressure. So it's not a great design. And oh my kingdom for an 11/16 wrench. I'm so close. Nope. 5/8. Oh, 11/16. Bingo. So yes, it collapsed under the pressure. So I may need to come back to that 11/16 after it collapses a little bit more. Oh, all right. So, yep. So I'm on the narrow side of the hub. It's a little bit thicker over here. So putting that side down, get a little bit closer to the mount point. I'm going to shoot a little bit more silicone on here. Done. All right. Come on. Ooh, hoo-ha. I think it's time to find some zip ties. I'll be back.